Hi, today I'm for the new Motorola Moto G73 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the display section. After that, scroll all the way down to the screen record section, and here, just to change the resolution, we should switch our current resolution, for example 1080 to 720, and go back again. Also, we got one more way how we can launch this screen record settings. First we should open our top bar, and then we should find here the screen record icon. Hold for a while this icon, and by the same way we'll launch the screen recording settings. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.